YouTube channel. Please, if you know say today na your first time, you never subscribe to this YouTube channel, wait till you still dey wait for, please hit that red subscribe button down there and click that bell with the beside down so that you go dey notified whenever I put any video. Yeah, guys, thank you very much and God bless you. So today we want to look towards our richest magician, top richest magician in Nigeria. So I have here my number one, Banky W. As we all know, Banky W now songwriter and producer, you see the heart and all those stuff. So they're born out for 1981 in the United States. So a family moved back to Nigeria when Banky W did 5 years. He started to sing at a young age as a choir for church. So his school for Lagos primary and secondary school education, and he returned to further his higher education for politics, for Rensselaer Politic Institute, New York, on a scholarship. So this singer launched his own record. He gets his own record library, what they call EME, in 2012. So during his study in America, after he moved to Nigeria 2009, he established the library in Lagos after when he see artists like Neola, like Wizkid and many more to his record library. So Banky W known to have written the first theme song of Estilate's Nigeria titled Naija for Life. So Banky W currently married to Adesuwa Etomi, traditionally on 19 November 2017. As we all know, Adesuwa Etomi now still Nigerian Nollywood actress, she now still Nollywood actress. So Banky W as he debuted as an actor in 2016. So I have another one here, Wizkid.
Deji Ibrahim Balogun, popularly called as Wizkid. This magician is the biggest magician in Africa. In fact, he is one of the biggest music exports out of Nigeria in the past 4 years. The singer, his achievements now as in include topping Billboard Hot 100 music. He received several award nominations, several legend international and collaboration, performing at international music events, etc. However, in all these things, Wizkid has the money to show for it. The star boy Oko charge about 12 million to as gig fees and even more when it's outside Nigeria. Net worth has jumped in the past 12 months. His page is at about 8 billion. The magician become promoted, when he released the song Holla at Your Boy from the debut studio album Superstar 2011. At that time, he was signed on to Banky W record label Empire Entertainment EME. He released his second studio album, Ayo, was released in September 2014. Wizkid now one of the top richest magician for Nigeria. Now very talented magician. In 2016, Wizkid achieved international recognition following the collaboration with Drake on the global hits. So Wizkid are one of the richest magician, one of the biggest richest magician in Nigeria. So I have another one for you guys. Peter Okoye, popularly known as P-Square. They were born for 18 November 1981 for Nigeria. He known for the best being of R&B singer and singer best known as a member of the Nigeria R&B due to the role wey due to the due wey they play alongside P Square alongside with the twins brother wey they call Paul. Their 2006 album Get Squared earned the award for Best R&B Pop Album and Album of the Year at the Headies. Peter, he age na 37 years old. He na 37 years old. So it's na just Nigerian nationality na Nigeria. So this actor na one of the richest musician with the brother Paul. Now one of the richest musician for Nigeria there. So this singer, this magician, he with the brother they always sing together. That they always play song together. They always sing together as one. So guys, I have another one for you guys. Innocent Uja Idibia, known by his stage name Baba. A lot of people used to call him Two-Face. He's popularly known as Two-Face and Baba Idibia. In Nigeria, a singer and songwriter, record producer. So they born for September 18, 1975. He is currently 44 years old. As per Annie Idibia. So this magician, one of the richest magicians for Nigeria there. He received several awards for their work as a magician. So he's one of the richest magician for Nigeria. He estimated worth of 5.9 billions. Baba na one of the richest magician, na one of the most decorated and successful Afro-pop artists for Africa there. And one of the most bankable artists in Africa there. He received several awards, include like MTV Europe Music Award, One World Music Award, Hip Hop Award, 4 Channel O Music World Video Award, and most etc. Baba na a very talented magician. During his time for school, he performed for school organized show and participates as well for that school. For the University of Nigeria, Enugu State, University of Science and Technology. So Two-Face did not complete his education at IMT as he dropped out of the push his music career. So I have another one for you guys. Timi Alfred Odom, popularly known as Timaya, now the one of the top magicians for Nigeria and now the one of the most richest magician in Nigeria. Timaya has charged 8 million as performed fields at events. This Timaya, this magician, they always charge 8 million for every event when he attend. When he perform. Timaya are one of the most richest billionaires for Nigeria, one of the most richest magician for Nigeria. Timaya gets multi-million naira home for the higher Brow Lekki area, and his net worth is put at 4 billions. Timaya rose to prominence in 2005 when he released the hit single Mama. This one followed by the debut album True Story, which released in 2006. After the success of Da Mama, the true life story of Timaya produced to work on his second album with producer Phyno and others, Terry G and many other more. when he released his second album, Gift and Grace, in 2008. So Timaya was appointed in a peace ambassador by the Interreligious and International Federation for the World Peace. So Timaya is one of the most richest magician for Nigeria, and a very talented magician. So I love the music. I love the way they sing. In music, they make sense. You understand? So more pardon my English, okay? Not easy to just jagba all the English na jagba. I know, but Mona just pardon me. You understand? So this one is one of the most richest magician, and a very talented magician. It is sing a lot of music. It is sing a lot of. They perform for a lot of music. They feature for a lot of music. They feature with different type of magicians. So me get another one for you guys. Stay tuned. Dapo Daniel Oyebanjo, popularly known as the Banj, na Nigeria songwriter, na rapper. They born for June 9, 1980 in Zaria, Nigeria. As per na Lionel Didi Kegro. So this magician is still one of the most richest magician. So instead they charge between 5 to 7 million to perform for each show. Wait, what? So guys, let me show you another one. Tiwa Tope Savage, popularly known as Tiwa Savage, is a Nigerian songwriter and actress. They're born now for Insala Echo. They're born for February 5, 1980. Lagos, Isala, Lagos, Nigeria. Ifune na Tiwa Tope Savage Balogun. His power name na Toji Balogun, while his children na Jamil Balogun. So Tiwa Savage is still one of the most richest magician for Nigeria. This actress magician, na very talented magician. She see they sing well, She does perform for so many show, international show, local show, and all those stuff, and how does that. Ina also brand of ambassador to Maggie. So her net worth is currently set at 5.85 million. So she is still one of the most richest magician for Nigeria. She is one of the most richest magician for Nigeria. So guys, may I have another one for you guys. Please do not forget to hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed, don't forget to do that if this is very entertaining. So the other one I have for you is Damini Ebonoloa Ogulu Reyes, popularly known as Burna Boy. He's Nigeria songwriter, and this one they still born for July 2nd, 1991. He is currently 28 years old in Port Harcourt, Nigeria. This Burna Boy is still one of the most richest magicians in Nigeria. Olamide Adedeji, popularly known as Olamide Bado. They were born for March 15, 1989 for Baraga, Lagos, Nigeria. This magician is still one of the most richest magicians for Nigeria. It net worth for 14 million, and that is not bad at all. Na very normal thing, a very good thing we say. When they sing, when they act, when they do things, say they give you money, and you
make money from it na very good thing, you understand? So that is very very good. Olamide don release and don feature for so many music. He don release so many music and he don receive several awards for his work as an artist, as a magician. So he na still one of the most richest magician for Nigeria there. So let me show you another one, guys. Stay tuned. Omoni Temidayo, popularly known as Lantern, is a Nigerian songwriter and dancer. In 2014, he won the Arte-sponsored One Meet Talented show in Abeokuta, Ogun State towards the end of 2018. Zlatan released a song titled Zanku with a new dance routine of the same name. They born out for December 1994. He's currently 25 years old in Lagos, Nigeria. So Zlatan is still one of the most popular magicians for Nigeria, and he is still one of the most richest magician for Nigeria. Zlatan Omoniyi Temidayo Rashe, popularly known as his name is Zlatan Ibile, na the Nigeria sensation magician. So in net worth na 49 million, you know. So if at all I did not really know it very well, if you know it, please comment down there in the comment section below. So this is one of the most richest magician in Nigeria. This is one of the most richest and talented magician in Nigeria. So guys, I have another one for you guys. Yemi Eberechi Alade, popularly known as Yemi Alade, is a Nigerian Afro-pop singer and songwriter. She won the Park Talented Show in 2009. They born her for March 13, 1989 in Abia, Nigeria. Yemi Alade is a very beautiful magician, and a very beautiful and talented magician. He does feature for so many movies. She does sing a lot of movies such as Oh My Gosh, such as Johnny. She does feature for so many music, Nagode, you know. So guys, this one is still one of the most richest magician. There's no doubt at all. She not the most richest present lady magician in Nigeria. You understand? So in the female magician, she's not the richest female magician in Nigeria, one of the most richest magician in Nigeria. Yemi Alade net worth na 4.5 million. She dey have like all those calabash in Nigeria, you know. She na the famous magician. She na the best magician. Like she na the one of my most female magician I like. As in, I love her song a lot, you know. So she na still one of the most richest magician for Nigeria there. So this Yemi Alade, she never marry, but I believe she go have boyfriend. You understand? So I know say she never married. That is what I know. She does play a lot of role for her music, where she could sing with Lord, those their lover boy and all those stuff and all those that, you know. So Yemi Alade, she dey speak Yoruba. She dey use Yoruba. She dey use Yoruba to sing a lot, you know. So that is all. This is the one I know for the female celebrity. So I have another one for you guys. Augustina Menles Kelechi, popularly known as Techno. So Techno na one of my best magician for Nigeria there. Na one of my best Nigeria magician. Techno na Nigerian singer and songwriter. They born for December 17, 1992 in Bauchi, Nigeria. So Techno na one of my favorite magician. Although I really do not love their music like that, but Techno make me to love their music, all this their hip hop music. Techno make me to love it a lot because I love his music a lot. I love the way he sing, and I love how he sing his music. I love the way he sing his music, So Tekno does feature, does sing a lot of music such as Rara. That is I go Obodo Ibo, saying go they already to come back. He does sing such as Yawa, he does sing such as Katsa, he does sing such as Your Love, Suro, Duro, Jogodo, Skeleton, Wash, Sudden. He does sing a lot of music, Green Light, Diana, Dance, Woman, Only One, Anyhow. He does feature for a lot of other. He does feature with a lot of other magician. He does feature. He does follow the sing, such as all these. He does follow all these black brackets, all those brackets, all those ones. Don't follow the sing a lot of music. They do sing a lot of music. Holidays, everything, most of the music that I cannot even mention because they are too much. Go Panya, yes, that's one. Now that Panya soon make me love this boy, as make me love the music a lot. That Panya music, so I really love it. So guys, do not forget to subscribe. Bye bye.